Kate here at WTI, and if organization is what you're after, you're going to love these stackable drawers from Zero Zoo. Now, these come in a set of 4, and you can stack them however you want. So if you want to use them as individual little cubbies, you can, or you can stack them in sets of 2. I have them stacked all the way, all 4, because it fits so nicely beside my toilet and gives me so much storage. They're a really great height. Most of my skincare fits in here without any issue at all. They're really easy to put together. They snap in place, glide really well. The drawers fit in one way because there is a little bumper on the back, and then they just nest together. I love that they're clear so you can see exactly what you have inside. They have a nice little handle, so they're very easy to use. So if you have a ton of things like I do and you're looking for a way to organize, I think you'll really like these. They can be used all over the house. Use them for bathroom products, but you can use this in the kitchen or in your office. Anywhere you need a nice little drawer to put things in, I think you'll be really happy with these, and that's my point of view.